Embedded options. What are embedded options? How will you define the following securities? Optionally convertible debenture, optionally convertible preference share. Warrants, remember, are inherently options. Puttable bond, callable bond, bonds with put and call options both. Perpetual bond, as perpetual bonds are invariably issued with the put and the call option because they are perpetual bond. They do not have a maturity. They do not have a maturity date, but they have put option and call option, so that the buyer and the subscriber and the issuer at any point in time can exercise the put option and the call option depending on how the terms and conditions of the perpetual bond are. Okay. Now you can see in all these 7 securities that I have just mentioned, and I'm repeating it once again for your clarity: optionally convertible debenture, optionally convertible preference share, warrant, puttable bond, callable bond, bond with put and call options. That means a bond which has got both the put options and the call option, and the perpetual bond. Now, what is peculiarity about all these 7 securities that I have spoken with you just now? If you analyze minutely, you will notice all these securities have an option built into it. So what is an embedded option? Embedded option is an option which is built into another security. So it is a debenture, and if that debenture is an ordinary debt instrument, but when this debenture is issued with an option of convertibility, this debenture becomes an embedded option. Why? Because in this debenture hosts an option, and that is convertibility of the debenture into equity. Same is the case with the optionally convertible preference share. Same is the case with the warrant, because remember, warrant is always an option. Warrant is inherently an option. So when a company is issuing a warrant, what this company is doing, this company is giving an option to the warrant holder that as per the terms of the warrant, after a certain period, he would be able to convert this warrant into equity shares of a company at a prefixed price or as per the formula that may have been decided at the time of issue of the warrant. So a warrant also has an option built into it. So the option which is built into the warrant is an embedded option. Same is the case with the puttable bond, because what is a bond? Puttable bond. Puttable bond is a bond where the subholder of the bond has an option to ask for the redemption of this bond at any point in time as per the terms and conditions of the bond prior to the maturity date of this puttable bond. In case of callable bond, the option lies with the issuer. That means issuer can call back the bond at any point in time before the maturity as per the terms and conditions of the callable bond and redeem it. Same is the case with the bond with put and call options. That means a bond having put and call both the options. So this is also there's an embedded call option, embedded put option. Embedded option means an option which is getting hosted in another instrument, which is getting built into another instrument, which is getting embedded into another instrument, and that is why they are referred as embedded options. My question is a compulsorily convertible debenture, is it an embedded option? The answer is no. Why the answer is no? Because this is compulsorily convertible debenture. There is no option that the debenture holder has of getting it converted into equity. It is to be converted compulsorily. So an instrument and an embedded option will be there only when the option is there. In case of compulsorily convertible debenture CCD, in case of CCD, the holder of the debenture does not have any option, and therefore a CCD will not be a an embedded option. How about compulsorily convertible preference shares? So, in case if a company has issued compulsorily convertible preference shares, remember there is no option, and therefore compulsorily convertible preference share will also not be an embedded option, because there is no option. It is to be converted compulsorily. So what is an embedded option? When an option is built into another security, it is referred as embedded option. An embedded option is a special condition attached to a security, and in particular a bond, that gives the holder or the issuer the right to perform a specified action at some point in the future. That is embedded bond. An embedded bond, an embedded option, is an inseparable part of another security, and as such does not trade by itself. So in case of embedded bond, embedded option, the option is built into a security. This option cannot be separated from that security. This option cannot be traded separately by itself. So it will be traded together with that security itself. Nevertheless, it can affect the value of the security of which it is a component, and that is what is embedded options are. So, interest rate derivative. Uh, Let us now understand what are the interest rate derivative. What is an interest rate derivative? Derivative. Now we are discussing the examples of embedded options. So there are different examples of embedded options.